Minaakshi Rao. I'm a plastic surgeon practicing in Rajkot and Jamnagar, Gujarat. So I came to Elegance Vidhyalay under Dr. Ashutosh Shah. Since I'm a beginner in this surgery, I wanted to know about the basics. And Dr. Ashutosh Shah and his team, they taught us very well about every aspect of the hair transplantation. Right from the basics about the theory about the hair transplantation to the actual practical steps that are required in doing hair transplant surgery. I would advise budding plastic surgeons who are interested in hair transplant surgery to come and do this course so that they can confidently incorporate hair transplantation in their practice.